I believe you all received yesterday's demo video and demo document. If not, kindly provide your email ID and contact number in the chat room, and you will receive demo video and demo document. And these documents, videos will give you more understanding. So please don't neglect to take. Not all demos in the same way. Different people will explain in different ways. The people who are having good knowledge, they take the sessions in a different way. So always provide your email address. So this was a batch folder I created yesterday. This was your drive folder. All videos available here. And this is checklist. So videos in this area, first demo, second demo. Kindly go through first demo. The video and relevant documents. Second demo, already documents I placed and video is pending. Got chance to go through it? చూసారని అన్న మీరు ఇది ఈ ఫోల్డర్ యాక్సెస్ వచ్చిందా? వచ్చింది. మీరు మెయిల్ ఐడి ఇచ్చారా రిసెప్షన్ లో? ఆఫ్లైన్ పీపుల్ మెయిల్ ఐడి రిసెప్షన్ ఇచ్చారా? పోస్ట్ యాక్సెస్ వస్తుంది. Right. So in case if you haven't provided, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number, you will get. Coming to demos. There are two demo classes. First demo, second demo. And the first demo, I explained 20 minutes introduction about the institution. And the next 40 minutes, I explained this part. And second demo, today, the first 10 minutes, I'll give the introduction. And last 40 minutes, I'll explain this topic. That is a practical part. Let me go, guys. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number and this is the call timing. Thank you. More than 15 people called me yesterday for guidance and different types of sessions. I look forward from more people and I'm working as a senior lead consultant. And the training is very basics to advanced level. Duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily training is 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour is sufficient. You feel like if trainer takes 2 hours, you will come to know after 3-4 days of sessions practice. Given today's example, after practicing, you will come to know. I'll give you an example today. Then you decide how long you can go for a day. 2 hours, 3 hours, or 1 hour. But I know 1 hour is sufficient for you if you want to have an effective learning. From my side, 1 hour. For you, it will take 2 to 3 hours. Weekly, Monday to Friday compulsory sessions, and monthly to Saturdays we are having classes. And the classes are live classes mostly. And class mode online, offline. Both the modes. Daily videos I will share. Communication WhatsApp and Gmail. And projects, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And training objective, you want to work happily in the real time. Technical people. And interview you want to face. PL300 examination. There is certification called PL300 and you want to crack this examination. 70 to 80% my course cover. Beyond that, I will provide materials, videos, etc. You can go through it. No charge for it. PL300 guidance is free. And to generate own reports, you're a senior resource. and you don't want to move to technical side, but you want to generate your own reports. Yes, the current classes will help you. And who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn. And it is a low code component. You will not find much code. And what are the roles you will find in the market, or where exactly it fits? Power BI, as a technical resource, you want to try, these opportunities available. Power BI, as a functional resource, you want to try, techno-functional. This is available. You want to try as a data scientist, yes, you can go. And when you go as a, this is functional and technical both. This is technical. But when you try for this opportunity, Power BI plus SQL, you will get more opportunities. And when you try this, here Power BI is sufficient. Data analyst or business analyst, SQL knowledge is not required. Database knowledge is not required. And if you try as a data scientist, yes, Power BI is helpful for you as a data scientist, along with Python, etc. components, Python, ML, etc. components. So these are the areas Power BI sits in the market. Got clarity? Next. And last class I explained in the 2 months of course what I'm going to cover. Power BI cloud components, on-premises components, and Power Apps, Power Automate, all this stuff. Even I given a very clear checklist for you. This is your drive, and this is a checklist. And what are the checklists I mentioned here? The same checklist I will follow for the class. So all topics, what I'm going to cover. First 2 days demos. If it is done, I will mention a yes. One by one. This is the order I follow. And services level, what I'm going to cover. Data extraction, what are the sources we work in the classroom. Power query level, what I'm going to cover. Data modeling is very important thing, what I'm going to cover, everything available. This is your checklist, course checklist. First, you'll come to know what are the topics available. Second one, where exactly we are. It's a proper checklist. And from institution side, daily live class video, resume preparation, and WhatsApp and email communication, and very effective WhatsApp communication. Yesterday I showed you, I'm not showing again. Kindly go through yesterday's video. And theory and practical material you will receive. However, you receive for yesterday's session. The same way, a very good theory and practical material you will receive. Complete practical training today. Sorry, this training is complete practical training. And you will be having good interaction with me during the classes. FAQ is also discussed. And you want to try as a technical resource, Power BI developer, or BA developer, or report developer. Less than 5 years, these are the opportunities available. Especially these 3 pure Power BI and plus SQL knowledge you can try. This is in the combination in case you want to go. You can ask me, sir, which combination is good in the market? I want to learn. I'm having 15 years of experience. I want to move into analysis side, analytics side, data science side. So which combination I need to learn? I will conclude today. And more than 5 years, you want to keep in Power BI? Yeah, you can keep it. Opportunities available for more than 5 years. You can try as a Power BI modeler, developer, so designer, specialist, architect. These opportunities with more than 5 years. More than 5 years. So what institute provide and what are the technical opportunities you can try? These are all technical. Not only technical, even functional also you can try. Data science side also you can move on. Multiple ways Power BI is helpful for you. After this, and yesterday I explained this part. Data to till Microsoft Fabric hierarchy explained. How many types of data available? Storage available, storage types available, IT applications available, BA applications available. What is Power BI? Till this part I explained yesterday. And today I will continue with this. And then we go for a practice. Right. So what is Power BI? This is yesterday's continuation. I cannot take the same demo every day. What is Power BI? Adding power to existing BI. First definition. Microsoft having the first BI, MS BI in 2005. Everyone can understand today's session. Whether you attended yesterday's or not, no matter, you can easily understand today's session. Keep your focus. I'll share yesterday's and today's both the videos again. Kindly go through. Listen to it fresh. Don't use your mobile phones. Don't disturb yourself. If you keep your concentration here, 100% you'll understand and you get more knowledge. No doubt in that. At MSBA 2005, but there are many issues, and this is from Microsoft. I'm talking about Microsoft. And this is a middle-aged BA. I told you, middle age, not old BA. So we have business intelligence from Microsoft from middle age. But there are many drawbacks. Cloud support not available. So cloud level you cannot work on. Mobile tab friendly operations not possible. Embedding not possible. And many visuals not available. Every 2 to 3 hours, so 2 to 3 years, a version is coming, but IT changing drastically. So Microsoft decided to give a new powerful component that is Power BI, where we have cloud support, mobile and tab friendly operations. Easily you can place wherever you want to place. And for the current dynamic market, cutting edge technologies and process, volatile methodologies, this is highly suitable. And that too we have monthly update. So Power BI, if you want to conclude, adding more power to existing BI, or it is a low code application, less code we will write, and cloud and on-premises support to self-service BI. End-to-end we can do, which will generate reports and dashboards from the data. Simple words, Power BI gets data and generate report or dashboard. Input for Power BI is data, output from Power BI is report or dashboard. That's it. In between, we have low code, cloud support, and many more. This is a strong definition gained by the Microsoft. Announced in 2013, Power BI, July. And monthly update we have every month starting July 2013, we have monthly update. Okay. Good. With a given spirit of low code approach, Power BI, this is important. Microsoft decided, why don't we give some more low code components in the market to provide additional facility. That is a Power Platform. In 2019, Power Platform given, where Power BI part of it. Then what is Power Platform? It's a low code platform with 5 components, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Power BI is the first low code component to generate reports and dashboards. Power Apps is the second low code component. It's also low code, no need to write much code, but you can generate mobile and tab friendly apps. Power Automate is the next low code component to create automated process. Virtual Agent is another low code component to generate intelligent chatbots. Power Pages is one more low code component to create web pages, websites. So 5 low-code components Microsoft given to attract the market. And Microsoft assumed, yes, the combination are wonderful, but very few people using Power BI plus Power Apps. It is app generation. In your mobile tab, many apps available. Those apps you want to generate, Power Apps is helpful. And very few people using this combination. So Microsoft noticed, observed all the companies, how they are using. And finally, recently given a solution called Fabric. Please look at this Fabric. So 2013, Power BI announced individual. 2019, it is part of Power Platform. And 2023, now Power BI part of Fabric. Then what is Fabric? Very simple. It is a suite with 4 components, or it's a packet of 4 components. First one is Power BI, second Data Factory, third is Synapse, next Data Activator. Power BI for reports and dashboards, Data Factory for data integration, and Synapse for data storage, analytics, warehouse, data science operations. Data Activator, data monitoring and governance. Simply, companies to keep the data, maintain more data, to generate reports, to perform data science operations. This component is suitable. Fabric. The Fabric having data storage, data maintenance, data science, data analytics. So next feature, next market is Fabric only. And today onwards, practically you'll work on Fabric components, especially Power BI. And the Fabric is a specific solution designed for data citizen opportunities, data analyst opportunities, data scientist opportunities, data engineering opportunities. Very powerful. Simply, it is a market-driven solution. So companies using Azure Data Factory, Synapse, Power BI in their projects, Microsoft noticed, why don't we give a combo? The combo is Fabric. So who are interested to add on one more component along with Power BI, learn ADF as Synapse. It will boost up your resume so you can claim more experience. And you can try as a Fabric resource. So this is the best combination in case you want to try now, combination wise. So Power BI, Power Platform, Fabric, all given very clearly. Isn't it? If anyone wants to ask questions, first ask your questions. If you don't have questions, then I'll continue for the next part. Online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo videos and documents. In case you want to talk to me, I will give you my contact number. You call me after 11 o'clock, we will discuss. Everyone clear? Power BI, Power Platform, and Fabric. It is a suite. Don't listen to the word Fabric. Fabric is a suite with multiple components. Power BI is one of them. But why do we require Power BI?
Yeah.
Why do we require Power BI? Why do we require Power BI? Come on, guys. Single line if we want to control to generate reports and dashboards. That's it. And you want to explain little more features adding to the existing BI. Something more, it's a low-code application, end-to-end process implementation application. Cloud application, self-service application. Multiple ways you can conclude. Yes, madam, ask your question. Hello, madam.
Yes, Vinay. You mentioned that Microsoft Fabric in apart from the Power BI, in this course, are we learning the data factory and synapses, all those things?
No, in our institute, we offer data factory and synapse. But Power BI course having only Power BI information, dedicatedly in depth.
Okay. Then what's the use of Microsoft Fabric? You mentioned the
No, I need to tell you,
pattern.
right? Power BI where it is. Now, Power BI is a component of Fabric. That's why I'm telling you. But Fabric level Power BI, what are the features it has that I'm explaining?
Okay.
Azure Data Factory will take 45 days course, 45 days time. Synapse will take 45 days to 2 months time. We have exclusive courses in our institute. We don't want to
Okay.
give Data Factory for 10 days, SSIS for 5 days, SQL for 10 days. We don't want to bluff people. We don't want to waste the energy of the people by making jack of all, master of none. Our intention is giving the subject dedicatedly in detail. Right.
Sure.
The next
Yeah,
concept. So reporting. What is report? Set of visuals, you will find it. And insights also available. You will use it for better decision making. Simply analysis. In IT industry level, there are two types of reporting. First one, non-page related report. It looks like this. So here, no pages. 17, if you click, 17 data, 17 year data, it will show. 18, you click, 18 data, it will show. Multiple visuals in a single page. This is non-page. So we have multiple visuals. Data is not divided into multiple pages. Advanced reporting. So Tableau, our current Power BI, all support this advanced reporting. Coming to Power BI side, we use a component called Power BI Desktop. So this is advanced reporting. This kind of reporting you want to generate, then go to Power BI Desktop. And we call technical as a non-paginated. What is paginated then? This is paginated. If you see this, some records available. First page, next page, the other page. Multiple pages you can navigate. First page 10 records, next page 10 records. This is old reporting style, legacy reporting style. So data is divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. This completely you can print, but this is not possible. So you have a table with 200 records. Each page 20 records required and 10 pages are needed. Every page 20, 10 pages. That is pagination. So how do we develop? Power BI report builder is one component. SQL Server data tools is another component. By using this, we can generate. Nowadays, all companies expecting, except very small, these two types of reporting. Power BI is the only product in the market having both non-paginated, paginated, both available. And companies clearly mentioning in the requirement, we need people of paginated and non-paginated. The same technology I'm using. I'm not using anything else. You are a senior resource or you're a manager. You want to generate your employees categories and printouts, then go for this. Or you want to analyze dynamic analysis, in detail analysis, better analysis required, then go to non-paginated. Both are different. Questions, please. Now, I will explain. Power BI components, concepts. For my comfortness and easy to explain, I'm opening the screenshots. I don't want to type anything and waste your time. And this is a visualization component, Power BI. So more visually, I'll explain. See, these are the 8 components. I will mark with green. 4 concepts. This is the first component, second component, third component, fourth component, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. According to Microsoft, 8 components. Microsoft given components. Now, first, cloud. Nowadays, we are using cloud a lot. maximum our mobile data, mobile pictures, laptop data, we are keeping in the cloud only, either iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. storages we are keeping. Am I right or wrong? So if your company decided purely cloud operations, then Power BI desktop is one component. This is a component highly suitable to develop reports. From data, it will develop a report like earlier, what I shown. This is helpful, but it will use 4 concepts. Concept 1, Power Query. Concept 2, Power Pivot. Concept 3, Power View. Concept 4, Power Map. So simply between data to report, these 4 concepts implemented. Fixed process, don't worry. Daily we use it. You feel very bored after 3 days because every report requires those 4 things. So a report is developed by using these concepts. Once the report is developed, since you are looking for cloud process, you will go for Power BI service, Cloud One. There you place the reports and manage it. Then customers will contact the cloud only. They will bring the data. This is end-to-end process. In the real time, the people who are using cloud end-to-end process this. They use desktop to develop the report. They use Power BI service to place the reports and manage the reports. Customer will interact with the cloud only, not this. 95% people using this. And next one, on-premises. I want to keep some data in my on-premises, my company level, some reports in my company. Then we have a component called Power BI Report Server Desktop and Power BI Report Server for on-premises. Within your company, you will install it. Within your company, you will place it. Now customers will contact your company servers and bring the reports. 5% people using this. Yes, using it. But in this process, whatever the report you are able to see, that is a non-paginated report, advanced report. Which report? Advanced. Many companies question Microsoft. You have given very advanced reporting, not basic reporting. So Microsoft realized and they given the basic reporting, that is a paginated reporting, as a 5th component, report builder. I just shown. Report builder is the 5th component for paginated reporting. And many people expected Power BI report highly scalable. That means in their company website level, they want to show, they should be able to show. Or I have a Twitter X, I want to show Power BI report to my customers. It should be possible. Yeah, that is called embedding. Placing the report in other areas. Easily possible, guys. I will show you how to place in website, blog, and multiple apps level, multiple places. Practical, I will show, even you will do it. Next, I don't like Power BI visuals. In Tableau level or old reporting tool level, if you don't like the visuals, there's no other solution. But Power BI level, if you don't like the visuals, you can create your own visuals by using Power BI developer component. Okay, it's a component, not a role. Power BI developer is a component which will help you to develop your own visuals. The last one, gateway. This is Hyderabad data. This data Hyderabad, your cloud is in US. There is a change in the data. The data I want to move to US. How is it possible? There is a change in the data I want to move to US. Then intermediary required called gateway. What is required? Gateway. So there are 8 components, and cloud interested people go for this end-to-end process. On-premises interested people go for this end-to-end process. And advanced reporting these components, basic reporting this component. Is okay? Now, Power BI, desktop, and the service as server. The end-to-end process a little more with concept base. See the arrow flowing. You have data on file level, database level, cube level, cloud level. multiple places. The desktop will take, this is the desktop component. The desktop will take, the data and process in multiple phases. First one is Power Query. In this area, extraction transformation will take place. The data retrieved and required transformations. These are all the transformations. Appending, merging, pivoting, unpivoting, like this, quality. So data shaping. This is called data shaping. If the data shaping is good, relationships established, directions established, calculations created in this area. So relationships, calculations, security, everything in this area. Our view and map. In this area, the mapping visuals are generated and mapping visuals also generated. So first you will shape it. This is shape. Second, you relate it, relationships, directions, calculations, and then visuals. Normal visual, advanced visual, mapping visual, all possible. Then the report goes to service our server and customers will access from here. Then what we do in the service and server later part. But this is end-to-end process in the real time when you work in any project. This part is very simple. Just placing the report, providing access. This part only low code required and you develop the reports. Got clarity?
Yes.
Now I'm going to explain a component called Power BI Desktop because that is a report development component. I'll show you practice on this. So you have data. It is my business day-to-day family expenses data. See this. My family expenses data. In the lockdown period, whatever money I spent, I return. Books, Moti Nagar, Hyderabad, I spent 10,000. Food, Moti Nagar, so-and-so, some value. Some Vijayawada, Hyderabad, so-and-so value. Like this, some amount available. I want to move this data. So I want to place this data like this. Easy, understandable way, non-paginated report. So if I click August 19, what is the total value, average value, max value, min value. In August 19, what are the locations I travel? This is Power Map. And in every location, how much money I spent, 30% money, 20% money, 5% money. And my top reasons for spending, like food and travel, or books or some other. This I want to analyze. This data I want to analyze in this way. This is called report, but advanced reporting available. So this is a non-paginated report. And if you want to create it, you require a component called Power BI Desktop. And what it does, this Power BI Desktop will do end-to-end report process and generate it. So this data it will take, transform it. Extraction means bring the data. For this tool will bring the data. This tool will transform it, shape it, establish relationship if required. Security also applied if required. Visualization, it will perform like this. Finally, BA data. So this data, this process implemented, converted like this. And this is called report end-to-end process. And we also call it a self-service BA process. What do we call? Self-service BA. Everyone clear? What we do? This component practice I will give you. Ask your questions if you have any questions. Online, offline people.
Sir, what is OLTP data and overlap data, sir?
So, OLTP is, have you attended yesterday's session?
Hi, Vinay. Do we require SQL totally or only just basic knowledge on this?
SQL 9 topics knowledge is compulsory in case you want to try as a technical resource. You want
No,
to try
actually, we are from non-technical background, so we
that's
just
what
we
I'm
want
telling you,
only.
sir. Please listen to me completely and then ask your questions.
Yeah.
SQL knowledge is required in case you want to try as a Power BI technical resource. Power BI report developer, BA developer, etc. You want to try SQL knowledge and learn a whole course, as I said yesterday, even today, and prioritize 9 topics. Prioritize 9 topics. I will tell you the topics. In case you want to try as a functional resource, not technical side in Power BI. I'm not talking about your background, how you want to try. I'm talking about if you want to move as a technical resource, technical component SQL knowledge is required. You want to try as a functional resource, a data scientist, then SQL knowledge is not required. Having is advantage, but not required.
Okay.
Got clarity now?
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome, sir. All right. Now I will explain about this Power BI desktop installation and practice. So this practice I will do it now. Even you need to do it after this session. Yes, sir. What is desktop? Windows desktop. And many places you come across this. The area where we perform operations graphically. Now Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, etc. Now what is Power BI desktop? Power BI operations graphical area. Power BI graphical area. So, and some people say like this also, Power, adding more features, BA, this one, gets data generate report, desktop, graphical operations area. So 3 words, Power BI desktop, adding more features, takes data and present reports and dashboards, multiple operations area. And what is the input to desktop? Data. It could be any data, any type, any way. What is the output from the desktop? Desktop document, which will contain report information, data information. So Power BI desktop will take the data and give you a document. Why document, sir? Because you're shaping it, you're transforming, you're modeling it, visualizing it, everything it is having. So data, reporting, multiple things. So we call it as a document. Now requirements. I want to install Power BI desktop. What are the requirements needed? Operating system, Windows 10 or above. It is good for your better practice. Note, few Power BI desktop support Windows 8.1 or earlier. RAM, minimum 2 GB RAM required, but 4 GB is recommended. Processor speed, minimum 1.5 GHz, but 2 GHz is recommended. Display, if you want to enjoy the look and feel of Power BI, have better resolution machines, like 2K resolution minimum is good. Even we are not watching movies nowadays in normal theaters, multiplexes, 4K theaters, and different. Even Power BI visuals are rich visuals. So you want to look at them, then go to minimum 2K resolution machines. Some more also available. I will tell you later. But focus on the green color operating system, RAM, processor, display orientation. More I will tell you in the next session. This is about desktop and Power BI desktop. Simple. Anything complex? Online, offline people? Right. Now, I want to see some. The above settings. Don't worry, guys. You go to this PC properties and you will see all the settings. The display orientation, your operating system, everything. Second one, go to command prompt, sysinfo, system information. For system information you want to find out, this is the way you will find out. So this PC properties, or else you can right click on this area, sysinfo, system information. Please look at this. My OS is Windows 11. My system name is this. My system RAM, processor, everything available here. Everything available here. And my system type is 64-bit basic. Look at this. And how do you get in this area? Type sysinfo. Then you get this kind of information. And what is my system type? 64-bit machine. Very important, this one. Fine, sir. This is done and this is over. So where we go? How do we say explain? That's how to download Power BI desktop or on-premises desktop. Very simple ways. Two ways. Google it and download. While Googling also, again, two ways. Normal download without any account. No Power BI account is required, you can download. Second one, advanced download with account download. Sorry, advanced do not require any account, but normal download require account. And you can go to Power BI cloud level and download also. This is Power BI service download. So in the real time, always this is recommended. Go to service and download. Now I will show you in the classroom level. Google it and advanced download. Because I want to generate a report. Shall I? So go Microsoft Power BI desktop download. And download Microsoft desktop. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Always read the latest definition given by the Microsoft. They are changing time to time. So just look at the latest definition. Next, go down, read it. What is the version you're downloading, installing? What exactly the desktop does? System requirements. I will explain about this later. And installation instructions. So don't ask anyone how to download and install. Always follow the instructions given by the Microsoft. Google it, click on the download link and read it, and then follow. Click download. There are two softwares available. This is for 32-bit machine software. This is for 64-bit. And what is my system type? 64. In the sysinfo level, we are able to see 64. Even this PC properties will show you 64. So download this. Once you download, tick mark and download. Tick mark and download. Once you download, you will find like this. This is the software you will find it. You can click on it. Next, finish. In between two things, it will ask you the drive to install. Where do you want to install? Second one, I accept terms and condition. These two things. Over. Once it is done, you will find on your desktop level an icon like this. This is Power BI desktop. So tool is ready. Then where is the data? I'm having data here. How to download, install tool, I clearly explained. I request everyone, it's a demo part. I'm maintaining little speed, but regular class, we go very slowly. Because beginners available in the class, experienced people also available. I need to balance everyone. So I maintain little speed and explain more content today because demo part. From tomorrow, basics onwards, slowly we continue. Okay? Basics onwards,
Yes, sir.
slowly we continue.
Yes, sir.
Just listen to it, whether it's complex or easy, and how I'm explaining. Am I making the things clear or not? Just try to ensure from today's session. General file
Hello,
for
Vinay.
practice. Yes, please.
Yeah, we should download it now on or after the session.
After the session,
Yeah.
download it and install it. I already given documents for you guys. This is your folder.
Yeah.
Who all got access and remaining people will get access. Go to second demo and first demo. Guys who all not attended first demo, they can go to this, watch the video and look at the documents. Second demo, you can go to this. Documents I already placed and today's practical document also placed. This is a practice document. Today's theory document. Only video is pending. After the session, I will place the video. You can start your practice by going to this document. Spoon feeding with the steps available.
Okay, Vinay.
Right. This is your Excel workbook. My family expenses data. Every day, how much money I spent during lockdown, I mentioned. This is my input ready. And this is the data. So this is the application available. Now, by using this application, the data I want to convert to reports. Data ready, tool ready. Now click on Power BI desktop.
Here, two folders are there, right? What is the difference?
I will tell you, sir, again. Look at this, guys. It will open like this. So home, you can go to blank report or directly home, one leg data hub. Home, Excel workbook. That means by using this, you can start your practice. Open existing reports you want to open and a couple of other settings available. I will explain later. But for the time being, home, blank report. Because I want to create a report from scratch. So this is an initial look and feel. This is color blind friendly. And it's a self-service BI component. Self-service means data, extract, transform, model, secure, visualize, BI data. There's a first area, second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area, 5 areas. So this component, the current component will bring the data and generate a BI data by using 5 concepts. The 5 are very near. This is the first area, this is the second area, transformation, and this is the third area, and this is the fourth area, this is the fifth area, 5 areas available. Very nearby. In other business intelligence tools level, we need multiple components separate. But Power BI level, everything in a single area. This is the beauty of it. Next. This is quick saving. Undo, redo, title. Sign in, minimize, maximize, closing. And this is menu tabs area. Right now, home is underlined, home components available, home ribbon. And these are called views. And this is report view. Visuals plus data plus other concepts we take. This is grid view or table view. Everyone focus, table view or grid view, where data you can see. And this is called a model view. We establish relationships. Relationships area. And this is filters. And we call it as filter pane. And this is visualization pane. Visual options. And this is data pane. Data set area. We also call it as tables, fields, etc. area. 3 areas. And this is the area we have desktop view. And this is the area where we have mobile view. Page 1, click plus page 2, plus page 3, etc. you can create. Some important information I explain here. Detail I will explain from tomorrow, don't worry. Detail explanation. So what all the features high level available, I explain. Now what we do, sir, in today's example, I will get the data. This is the first step. Transform the data. Second step. Modeling if possible, I will do, otherwise no. Security if possible, I will do, otherwise no. This is visualization area, I will do it. So there are 5 stages. Every requirement pass through. What all applicable, it will take. What all not applicable, it will ignore. You want to construct a house, how do you construct? Pillars, so the foundation, pillar, roof, side wall, etc. The same way we need to go. Every requirement pass through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stages. And mostly, sort of one is compulsory, mandatory, data compulsory, visualization compulsory, mandatory. But this is shaping optional. If required, you take it. And relationships optional. If needed, you take it. Security optional. So 5 stages. So 1 and 5 compulsory, 2, 3, 4 optional. Shall we start practice? So what to do now? 1, go to data, click on this. There's an arrow. I want to bring data from Excel sheet, so Excel. It's a demo class, so Excel. In the regular class, databases, cubes, unstructured files, semi-structured files, multiple files will work on, multiple storages we work on. But right now I'm going to this get data 1, Excel workbook. I'm going to batches, lab backup. And here I'm having general files, Excel data, open. Just browse it. Click on 1 and browse. So it opens like this and displays a preview. I'm selecting this. There's a preview. Select preview. Select this preview. Click load. If you like the preview, click load. Over. Now click on this. So first, this is completed. So you will see in this area, it's auto expanded and you will see. I did not do anything. I just got the data. Now it is auto expanded showing it. But this information you want to see, go to table view. I told you table view. Click on table view. One time if you practice, you remember the navigation, don't worry. If you look at this, you feel confused. Practice once, you remember it. So this is a table data and you want to see table view. But something is not correct here. Viewing, okay, something is not correct. That means no proper shape. What do you mean by shape? Column by column availability is called shape. Round shape, rectangle shape. There's a proper naming in it. Table shape means table column by column. See this? Heading is wrong. And this is some textual data for date, amount, reason, area location. This is supposed to be the column heading. So we should remove this. This is the first operation. And second operation, make this as a heading. Then only it is proper. Isn't it? Remove the first and then make this as heading. Third one, divide this. Area and location you want to analyze, then split it based on 2 hyphens. This is the third operation. So if you want to make proper column by column, this table data, 3 changes required. The 3 changes are called transformations. What do we call it? Transformations. Then where do we go? If you want to apply this, the second area. So go to report view. From here, click on this. Maybe they changed it. This is the second area. So they given a new one here. Second area is this. Transform data. So immediately system will open a separate window. This is called transformation window. Extract transform window. And technically power query area. For your query means table here. For your table, more power added, more changes you are taking. For your query, more power adding, more changes you are making. And what are the changes you wanted to do it? Once it is done, go to home and here options available. Simply you can close and you can apply the changes. You can apply the changes and close. 3 options. Now what I will do? First, I will do the changes. So this is a tool up to component open or window open. Now go to this area. In this area, there's a drop down available. Click on that. This is called query properties. Since I'm having knowledge, I worked on it, I'm able to explain quickly. But there are many transformations. These are all the areas transformations available. Once you complete this component, you can identify, yes, this is available, so and so area. As you are new, blindly focus. So I'm going to this. And first row, I want to remove top row. This row, I want to remove. So remove top row, mention 1. Okay, first row remove. Now I want to make this as column heading, this first row. Click on this, use first row as header. This is fine. If you want me to show you again, yeah, right hand side, it will add the steps. Whatever you do, it will add the steps. You can cancel it. Cancel, cancel. If any step is wrong or anything you want to do it from scratch, cancel. Not do it. Click on it, remove top rows, mention 1, first row remove. Make this as column heading. Click on it, use first row as header. Next, I want to split this into 2 columns. Area, location. Right click this column, split. Column level operation, column right click. Table level operation, table right click. Split column by delimiter. Delimiter means separated, 2 hyphens. Click on it. Custom, mention 2 hyphens. Okay. Now it is divided to 2 parts. Now double click on this. This is area. And double click on it. Location. area and location. Go to close and apply. And now you want to see this data, you go to this, look at this. Is it proper? One, I got the data. Two, I transformed it. Proper column by column data available, proper shape. Now go to this model view. Only one table available, no relationship. If multiple tables available, relationship. One table available, no relationship. Now security, it is not in our scope. But what is the required one? Fifth one, report viewing. I will go to this. So guys, please stay tuned. Maximum 10 minutes, I will close the session. 10 minutes. I will address your questions also, stay tuned. Maximum 10 minutes. I'm minimizing it. Now I want to have a reporting like this. So this is a reporting required. This is called card visual. Technically card visual. Single value, it will show single value. And these are filters. We call it as slices technically. And this is called as bar chart. This is called as a pie chart. This is called a mapping visual. So these are the things I'm going to explain now. So 4 card visuals to show 4 types of information. So go to visualization. Where is visualization? This is visualization build. Please see this build. And this is format. I go to visualization, take a card. Click on card. First visual. I want to take data. So go to data area, expand it. Whatever you want, you can add here. And without expanding also possible, just click on it. Your wish. I don't want this data one. Directly you can go here, plus what I want. In this area, I want amount. Take amount. Amount showing. So for every visual, there will be a field section. Go there and take whatever you want to take. Some. Similarly, take second card. Add field. Amount. I want average. See guys, there's a drop down here. Sorry, there's an arrow mark. Click on it. It will show you what type of field you want. Sum, average, maximum, minimum, etc. I'm taking some average. This value changed to average. Now I will take one more card. Add field. Amount I'm taking. But I want maximum amount. Click on this. Here, maximum. Next, click card. Add field. Amount. And click on this. In place of this minimum. Got clarity? Routine process. Now, I want to format. This you want to format. Here also available the format options. Or else you can go to format here. This is format. Click format. This formation. So this is the format pane, it will open. This is called call out value. This is called category label. I clicked on it. Don't worry about the navigations. This is our format. Don't worry about the navigation. One time you practice, you remember. Now call out value, this value, bold, blue color, 30 size, display units, none. None means no format. Category label, this label, bold, click on it, pink color, 60. Something. Category label you take. But the same format I want remaining 3 areas. So first one visual I formatted, this visual, the same format remaining 3. And one more actually, I want a border for it. Right now, no border, I want a border. Go to properties, normal property. Advanced option, no, not advanced. Style, size and style. Size and style, visual border. I use these two plus this. Title also you can give if in case you want to give. But the same format I require for remaining 3. Just click Format Painter, highlight this. Format Painter, click on it. Format Painter, click on it. Format Painter, click on it. Okay. Now, so I took one card visual, I formatted it. 4, ready. I want to give a filtering. I told you next visual slicer. This is slicer. Click on slicer. Ask you field. Field, routine part. I want year, date table year. It looks like this. But format is not good. So go to format area. This is format. Slicer format. How do you want? Go to slicer setting. This setting. There are multiple ways available. Drop down if you want year. See drop down I mentioned. Drop down. Tile means buttons. Button format. I want list format. Vertical list. Slicer visual. Column format. These 3 routine we do in the real time for every visual. Take visual, add data, go to format. Take visual, add data, go to format. Vertical list. And I want to apply settings. This is called header. And this is called value. I will take it. Header level, yearboard, font color, pink, size 20, value level, bold, 18, blue color. I want border. Where is the border? Size, visual border. I want month also. Month filtering. Just go here, highlight, Control C, Control C, Control V. I want a month here. So go to data area, remove the date year here, add data, date table, month you select. No month. Just whatever you take here, the same thing. I don't want all months. See right now, all months showing. I want only 2 months. Then go to filter area. This is filter. Month level. In this visual, month level. In this visual, month level. Click on it and select the required one. July and August I'm taking. July, August appearing here. So filter is helpful like this. I'm minimizing all the pins. Now if you select 19 data, July, 19 July. Select 20 data, 20 August. If you select want to select multiple, press Control. Press Control and select multiple. Successful. So this is slicing. but I want to see my top spendings, bottom spendings. Then go to visualization area, bar chart, take bar chart, empty area, empty, go to empty area, bar chart. Y-axis, your wish guys is asking me y-axis, x-axis, earlier field, just right now y-axis, x-axis, and listen multiple things. So this is y, what do you want to take? This is x, what do you want to take? Your wish. I want to take in the y-axis level, reason. X-axis level, click on it, amount, reason-wise amount. I will maximize it. I will take a border. So go to format, size and style, border on. So if you click, you want to see in a bigger view, only this visible, focus mode, bigger view. So food value, travel value, internet value, entertainment value. These two are top spending. These two are the bottom spending. This is comparison. Go back to report. First one. Second one, I want to see percentages. In each location, how much percentage? Take pie chart. Click pie chart. It will ask you here, data level. Legend level, I will take location. What I'm taking? Location. And value level, I am taking amount. Legend level, location, value level, amount. And general property, format property, you can go. Size and style, putting visual border on. Now go to focus mode and see. Hyderabad location value, Siddipet location value, Vijayawada value, Visakhapatnam value, different value, percentages, value percentage. Next, go back. I want to show the locations I travel. Maybe I forgot to give visual border. Last one, mapping visual. This is a map visual, click on it. I want to show location. Click on it, location. Location plus location. Come down. Bubble size. Click on it, amount. So location area, location. Bubble size level, sum of amount. See this? Location and value. Location value. Location value. Bigger bubble, more value. Small bubble, less value. Bigger bubble, more value. Small bubble, less value. And you can go to properties and take it. So if you click 19 traveled locations, 19 travel location percentage, 19 spending, top spending, bottom spending, 19 values. So this is the way we will prepare a report. And if you want to save it, file menu, save, file menu, save. I'm saving here some folder. And what is the extension? PBIX. Word document saved with .docx. Excel document saved with .xlsx. Power BI document saved with .pbix. Word with docx, Excel with xlsx, Power BI with pbix. It's a document. I will write here VinayTech demo document. Save. Success. And customer required only this area. It does not require the extraction part, the transformation part, and this part and all. Only this area. How is it possible? If you want to do this, move this to server, move this to service, cloud service. From here, customer will access. So it's a document, everything we do, but only this part you want to share to customer, it should be with server or service. Everyone clear? So this is how easily we develop a report. And I'm giving a material, kindly use the material and develop this report. Even video also you receive. Have a hands-on. And look at the tool experience. So downloading, installation, practice also are given, kindly work on. And whatever I planned for 2 demo classes successfully completed. And online people who just joined, kindly provide email ID and mobile number quickly. And also note down my contact number, call me. Yesterday, more than 15 people called me. I'm really happy for it. So 2 demos, first demo, second demo, successfully completed. First demo, my understanding is different. Second demo, understanding is completely different. 2 demo classes completed. And as I said, daily live class videos you receive for 1.5 years. Communication through WhatsApp and Gmail, very proper communication. And theory, practical material, both you will receive. FAQs, mock interviews conducted. Tabular cube classes for 1 hour. I'm explaining this part. SQL 4 sessions I will give you, but that is not sufficient for your interview trials and operations. And you need to learn separately SQL. Learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics. And 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. The training objective for the real-time working perspective for the people who are working. Interview supportive. PL 300 examination coverage supportive. It is certification from Microsoft for Power BI. That examination also covered 70 to 80% and more covering if you want. I'll give you the materials and guidance. Just follow the materials and guidance. You will get more. And in case you want to develop your own reports after learning Power BI, happily you can develop your own reports. Next, general FAQs. Who is eligible to learn? Anybody can learn. And it's a low code component. And you can try technical side as a report developer, functional side also you can try, a data scientist side also you can try. Different roles you can try. Not one, two, different roles you can try. I'm telling you guys, as a technical role, if you want to try by learning Power BI in detail, plus SQL Server. These 2 helpful. Or you want to have more experience, or you want to claim more in Power BI, SQL Server, technical side, plus Azure Data Factory or SSIS, these are helpful. Or Synapse. I want to try just a data analyst, functional role, then Power BI only sufficient. I want to try as a data scientist, learn Power BI and relevant data science components like Python, ML, etc. 95% opportunities or 90% opportunities, Power BI plus SQL Server. So happily you can try on this. This is all about demos and certain demo level, the content. From tomorrow, regular classes, I will start from the basics. The training is from basics to advanced. I will start from tomorrow. In case you want to ask any questions, kindly ask your questions. But without fail, kindly go through the documents which I shared with you, which I'm sharing with you, so that you will get more knowledge. Definitely, I will give a very good content. What all you need is patience, concentration to practice, nothing more than that.